Welcome back, and joining us now on the show is Rahul Mehta from Silver Emporium. Rahul, hi, thank you so much for joining in. And what a volatile week this has been and continues to be like that as well. Well, to begin with, would love to understand on how silver prices stand right now. We do understand it's down 10% from its highs. Has the premium gone off? And from where we stand right now, what is the spot market working out to be?
Good morning, Manisha. The premium in the market stayed for a very short period. It was there for another 3 to 4 days. Currently, there is no premium as such in the market, but currently market is trading at around 1,55,000, including GST in the spot market.
What is the kind of buying that you have witnessed this Dhanteras and Diwali, as in a week?
See, during Diwali and Dhanteras, the festive season was very good, and people were buying a lot of coins and bars. But we have seen the buying has been reduced in terms of number of grammage. The buying has reduced because people were expecting prices to fall, so they buy at a very small quantity. So this was a good sign because we at the end of the day we don't want investors to lose money when investing in silver.
Rahul, are you saying that it was more about medallions, as in sense of bullion that people were buying silver in? Artifacts, jewelry, did that do good as well, or not so much?
See, if you talk about specifically on Dhanteras, bars and coins did really well. Articles maybe was very limited to idols, and jewelry didn't did good as expected.
Rahul, as compared to previous year, if you had to put in a percentage in sense of how silver trading was this Dhanteras and Diwali, how would you put the maths in?
So if you were to put it in terms of volumes, the volumes were about 15 to 20% year on year, in spite of pricing being about 80% higher from the last Dhanteras.
Oh, wow. Would you be able to put that in tonnage terms as well?
Frankly speaking, to put silver into tonnage is very difficult because India is very scattered market and very unorganized. So to put numbers into tonnage becomes very difficult.
Rahul, come in on the premium part as well, because as people were buying around and before the Dhanteras, this is exactly the time that there was a premium in markets as well. Would you say a lot of buyers, even 50% of them actually bought silver in premium?
I won't say that because silver was not available freely in the market. So that was a good reason people could not buy silver at a higher premiums. Very small number of people who bought silver at a higher premium. That's a very good sign because if the supply was good, a lot of people would have bought silver at the higher premiums.
How are you looking at the availability right now? Is that physical shortage or crunch that markets were anticipating for last couple of weeks something that led to silver ETFs suspending their services as well? Is that kind of scenario now stabilizing a bit?
Yeah, silver market is already stabilized. Now supplies are easily available and we should expect reasonable return in 2026.
In case you've spoken to any of the ETFs, is the supply getting better for them as well? Are the prices inching down now to more stable levels?
I think the prices have stabilized. I think the supply across India is steadily available right now. So the prices will stabilize now.
Talk to us about the import numbers as well, Rahul. We do understand that 5,000 to 6,000 tons of silver is what India imports every year. Any sense on what imports are we looking at for this year until time?
I think so by year end, we should be expecting anywhere between 7,000 to 8,000 tons of import this year.
Oh, you're anticipating a higher than average number per annum?
We should be, because I think so last season was very good in terms of numbers and volumes are pretty good. Depends upon how the next couple of months go. But I think we should expect a higher number this year.
For the silver buying, Rahul, has it been more about self-purchase or do you think the gifting played a part as well?
See, both. I would say the investment demand was very good. I think a lot of money from equity markets moved to silver, as well as a lot of buying for festive buying was also there.
The festival buying almost being done now. It's going to be about the wedding season, which commences perhaps from today itself. How are you looking at the wedding buying when it comes to silver, and in what quantum, what shape do you see that taking place?
So I would say the wedding demand, it always depends upon in terms of number of kgs which they buy during the wedding. So I think that trend will going to continue, and wedding demand is going to remain strong as usual. We will also see a good spike in silver jewelry demand because gold pricing being at high levels, and silver jewelry in terms of design, finish, and all is as good as gold jewelry which is available in the market. And a lot of weddings have become destination weddings where people don't want to carry precious jewelry, declaring customs, go out, bring it back. So I would see a huge upside in silver jewelry also this year during the wedding demand.
Okay, all right, Manisha. Thanks very much for taking us through that conversation, and Rahul as well. Well, that's the view coming in on